What began as a show bike is now edging closer to production. BMW's striking R20 Heritage Roadster is reportedly entering the final stages of development, with prototypes currently undergoing testing in Europe. If everything goes according to plan, the production motorcycle could make its official debut later this year, potentially at EICMA in November. One of the most interesting aspects of the latest prototypes is just how closely the production R20 appears to follow the original concept. BMW's designers have retained almost the entire silhouette of the show bike, giving the upcoming Roadster a remarkably faithful appearance. The headlight remains largely unchanged, although the daytime running light has been redesigned for the production model. The sculpted fuel tank, minimalist solo seat, and wide handlebars also closely mirror the concept, while the riding position appears to remain virtually identical. Some early development prototypes have been spotted with a dual-seat setup. However, the production R20 is expected to retain its solo seat configuration as standard, with a passenger seat potentially offered as an optional accessory. The rear subframe uses a bolted construction, similar to the setup previously seen on the R9T, which could make it relatively straightforward to replace or modify. The biggest change compared with BMW's existing heritage models lies beneath the tank. The R20 is powered by BMW's air/oil-cooled Big Boxer, with the engine enlarged to a full 2000 cc. The engine is based on the Boxer twin used in the R18, but its displacement has been increased by roughly 100 cc's per cylinder. While BMW has yet to release the complete technical specifications, the engine is expected to produce just under 100 horsepower. Peak power, however, is unlikely to be the defining characteristic of the R20. The Big Boxer has always been about effortless torque, and the 1802cc engine in the R18 already produces 163 Nm. With its larger 2-liter displacement, the R20 should deliver even stronger pulling power. The exhaust system also remains one of the motorcycle's most distinctive features. Although modified slightly from the original concept, the production bike retains the underbelly exhaust layout. The system is tucked discreetly beneath the engine and exits through a single outlet on each side. Before production begins, BMW will of course have to ensure that the system meets road-legal emissions and noise requirements. Despite its dramatic styling, the R20 continues to use a version of the double-loop tubular steel frame found on BMW's cruiser models. The chassis has only been lightly modified to accommodate the new Roadster. At the rear, BMW has developed a new 2-arm version of its paralever suspension system. The swing arm is made from chrome molybdenum steel, while the paralever strut is constructed from aluminum. The drive shaft remains exposed on the right-hand side, just as it is on the R18. The license plate holder is mounted directly to the swing arm, helping to keep the rear section of the motorcycle visually clean. BMW has also revised the lighting arrangement for production. The concept's 2-piece taillight has been replaced by integrated taillights. The latest prototypes are running Michelin Road 6 tires, suggesting that BMW has moved beyond the concept bike stage and is now concentrating on final road testing and chassis development. The latest spy photographs suggest that development of the BMW R20 is already well advanced. Apart from its matte black finish, which identifies it as a prototype, the motorcycle appears remarkably close to the machine BMW originally presented as a concept. The production version could also introduce some changes to the color options. The concept's distinctive hot pink paintwork attracted plenty of attention, but BMW has not confirmed whether the bold color will make it to the production model. There are still some final details to be resolved before the R20 reaches showrooms, and BMW has yet to announce an official premiere date. However, EICMA in Milan this November would be a logical venue for the production bike's public debut. If the current prototypes are anything to go by, the BMW R20 could be one of the rare concept-inspired motorcycles to reach production with almost all of its original character intact. With its 2-liter Big Boxer, minimalist heritage roadster design, exposed mechanical components, and muscular proportions, the R20 looks set to bring a particularly distinctive flavor to BMW's motorcycle lineup.